Let me ask you something. If a recruiter asks you today, show me something you built with AI, what would you show them? A certificate, a completed online course, or a real AI project that actually solves a real-world problem? Because here's the reality. Thousands of students are learning AI, machine learning, and deep learning right now, but only a small percentage actually get hired for AI roles. Why? Because companies don't hire people based on what they studied. They hire people based on what they can build. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. But before we get started, if you're interested in AI, data science, and tech careers, make sure to subscribe to the LangChain channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos that can help you grow in your career. Now, let's get started. Project 1. AI Document Question Answering System. Imagine uploading a large PDF, research paper, or company document. Instead of reading hundreds of pages, you simply ask questions like, "What are the key insights?" or "Summarize this section." And the AI instantly gives the answer. This type of system is already used in enterprise knowledge assistants and research tools. By building this project, you'll learn skills like document processing, text embeddings, vector databases, and retrieval-based AI systems. These are highly valuable skills in the AI industry today. Project 2. AI agent that automates tasks. The second project is building an AI agent that automates everyday tasks. Think about how much time people spend doing repetitive work, like reading emails, summarizing documents, or organizing tasks. Now imagine an AI system that can automatically perform these tasks. For example, it could read incoming emails and generate a daily summary or task list. This project demonstrates your understanding of AI agents, automation workflows, and real-world problem-solving. Project 3. AI Resume Analyzer. In this project, users upload their resume, and the AI analyzes their skills and experience. The system can compare the resume with job descriptions and suggest the best job matches. You can also include features like skill gap analysis, resume improvement suggestions, and personalized job recommendations. This project highlights your knowledge in natural language processing and recommendation systems. Project 4. AI Image Recognition System. This project focuses on computer vision. An AI image recognition system can analyze images and identify objects inside them. For example, it could detect plant diseases from leaf images, recognize handwritten digits, or classify different animals or objects. To build this, you'll work with deep learning models and image data sets, demonstrating your skills in computer vision and model training. Project 5. AI Customer Support Chatbot. The final project is an AI-powered customer support chatbot. Many companies use chatbots to answer customer questions instantly. Instead of a simple rule-based chatbot, you can build one that understands users using AI. Your chatbot could answer frequently asked questions, guide users through services, and provide quick solutions. Integrating it with a website or messaging platform makes it even more impressive. If you're a fresher trying to enter the AI field, remember this. Learning AI is important, but building real projects is what actually gets you hired. Even building 2 or 3 strong AI projects like these can make your resume stand out. And if you want to learn AI, data science, and build projects like these step by step, you can check out the LangChain courses. The link is available in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the LangChain channel for more content on AI, data science, and tech careers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.